Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Maniko Nails reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom and United States that deals with real nail polish strips in various styles or themes, including skinny crimson silver linings, onyx, bubblegum, Indian goddess, candy pink. So you will find the extensive collection of nail strips in various colors and themes, guys. Apart from that, the website is offering nail paint remover and nail polish removers. You can get the essential set as well at cost effective prices. So the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now coming to the payment information, guys, you can see various modes of payment are available on the website, including Amex, Apple Pay, Mastercard, Maestro, PayPal, GPay, Visa, etc. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site, let's check out the shipping policy. So here is the shipping and return page. So you can see for USA the shipping duration will be 20 working days. For Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Israel and Colombia, it will be 65 to 70 working days. And you can also read the shipping cost for various countries. So this is the shipping information, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And guys, let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this particular site is protected through HTTPS protocol and has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access, which is a positive sign. And coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 9th of September 2019. So guys, this website is an old website, and this website's domain creation date define its legitimacy, which is a good point, guys. And talking about the company's details, let's check out the about us page. So guys, you can see they have not provided the about us page, but yes, they have provided the enough information in the home page itself. So this is a good sign. Now coming to the contact details, here is the contact us page. So guys, in the contact us page, they have only provided the query form, and you can connect with the customers representatives via query form. We are putting your query in the box by sending an email. So you need to put your email address, your name, and you can tell what is on your heart, and then you need to click on the submit option button. But guys, they have provided the contact details in shipping and returns section. They have provided the official address, contact number and email address, which is a good sign. So you need to check. Sorry guys, they have provided the contact details in the refund policy section. Here you can read the entire information for your knowledge. Now talking about social media presence, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, which is a good sign. It defines its trustworthiness score. And guys, talking about the return policy, so let's check out the return policy. For that, you need to visit the FAQ section. And here they have mentioned the information related to order and shipping and return and exchange. You can see they have mentioned 45 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, it will give benefit to other customers. And apart from that, talking about Maniko Nails reviews, guys, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, and most of the customers are satisfied with the services of the company. However, few customers wrote negative comments on the Facebook. Yes, guys, one of the customers wrote a negative comment, and that particular verified customer was not satisfied with the nail strip, and He wrote, I have used a different brand before and thought I would try Manico. Big mistake. They were not easy to apply as they didn't stick properly. Within 5 minutes, she had slipped off. Do not buy them. And however, Manico social media account replied on that particular comment. So this is a positive sign here that they are reverting on the same. So guys, it's totally up to you. This website is a legit website because the trust index score of the site is 60%, which is good. It means that this website is popular in United States and United Kingdom. So yes, the domain name of the site is old, which is a good point that defines its legitimacy. And if you want to give it a try, then you need to explore the entire information at your end. We highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And I request you all to share your experience with us, guys, so that other customers can avail the benefit while making any online purchase. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, and if you have liked this video, if you have not subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe our channel today. Like this video, be informed and be safe. I'll get back to you with another review. And thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.